Hello! Today, I'm going to show you how to track an order on Temu step by step. To do this, the first thing we're going to do is, on the main page of Temu, tap where your photo is, and here we're going to select the first option that says Your Orders. We select it. Here, all the orders we've made will appear. We go to the order we want to track and tap here on Track Order. We select it, and here the logistics company and the tracking number will appear. If the update doesn't show up here, in this case, we're going to go to the logistics company, copy the tracking number, and on the main page, we can already see the details. Likewise, here you'll see the option to view the details on the logistics company site, or if there are no updates, we can contact the logistics company.